Start. So we were on exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 on question number 4. Question number 4 I am writing. Yes, write down. Question number 4. 3 we have completed. In each of the following pairs, 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 which number lies to the left of the other number? Which number lies? Which number lies? Which number lies to the left of other number? Which number lies to the left of other number? Other number. Which number lies to the left of other number on the number line? On the number line. Which number lies to the left of other number on the number line? On the number line. Now first it is A 7, 3. You are given a pair of numbers 7 and 3. 7, 3. Then B, let me write all the problem. B, yes. Comma. Between two numbers there is comma. 7, line. In each of the following pairs, comma is. Which number lies to the left of other number? Minus 6, 2. Yes. C minus 1, 0. Let me first write all the problem. Then we will solve. B. Yes. My dear, 9, minus 8. That decision you can take, my dear. I told you in the beginning that nothing question should be asked like that. Yes. Minus minus 2, 2 and 5, minus 55. 5, minus 55. Minus 6 and minus 2. Okay, let me write. Minus 6 and minus 2. Which number lie to the left of other number? So A, B, C, D, E, F. Using number line you have to show. Using number line we have to show this part. So let me solve this. Let me solve A. 7, 3. So there are two numbers given 7, 3. 7 there is no sign. No sign means plus sign. So it is plus 7. 3 there is no sign. No sign means plus sign. So it is plus 7 and plus 3. Now if you see the number line, this side of the number line, this is my right side. And this side is left side. Left side, right side. In the center we have 0. In the center of this number line we have 0. This side we have negative integers. My dear, why you are going at once? I will tell you, first let me focus on it. Then I will tell you accordingly. I will check how much you have followed. Accordingly I will give the homework. 0. Then this side, when you move towards right, we get positive number. When we move towards left of 0, we get negative integers. So this you remember. Okay. So this is plus 7 plus 3. They will be on the right side. So on the number line we show the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now the numbers are given 7 and 3. So this is my 3. This is my 7. Okay. This is my 3. This is my 7. Now from number line you can easily find out which number is on the left. Yes, tell me. Which number is on 3? 3 is to the left of 7. 3 lies to the left of 7. This is my 7. And where is 3? 3 is on the left side. This is my left side. So we write 3 lies to the left of 3 lies to the left of 7. That's all. This is the answer. 3 lies to the left of 7. Okay? 3 lies to the left of 7. No need of that. No need of that. Okay? Now B part. Yes. Now B part. Chalo, B part. -6 and -2. -6 comma -2. Now both are negative numbers. So both the negative numbers you will write to the left of 0. Okay? So this is my number line. This is my number line. This is my left side. This is my right side. In the center we have 0. Now -6 and -2 both are negative, and negative numbers are to the left of 0. So this is my -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So now we highlight the number -2 and -6. This is my -2, this is my -2 and this is my -6. Now can you tell me which number lies on the left? Are my dear, don't say 2. This is my left side. -6. My dear, the question is about left. So, my dear, the question is about left. Why are you talking about? So write down this. -6. This is -6 is on the left side. So -6 lies to the right of, to the left of -2. The question it is asked left of -2. The question is asked about left side. So why you are talking about right side? Okay. -6 lies to the left of -2. -6 lies to the left of -2. Now C homework, D homework, E homework, F homework. 4 problems I am giving homework, simple problems. चलो 1 minute. Let me solve D part. चलो, let me solve D part. F easy, it is easy, no my dear. F it will be easy. So let it be 55, no? अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Let me, D will be homework. Let me do F. चलो, let me do F. No problem. Let me do F. It is 5 and -55. C D E R homework. चलो F. 5 comma -55. 5 comma -55. 5 means there is no sign. There is no sign means it is plus sign. So +5 and -55. So one is positive, other is negative. Let us draw the number line. This is my number line. So this is my right side and this is my left side. In the center we have 0. Okay. We want +5. So where will be +5? On the right of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take up to 6. Then -55, negative. It will lie to the left of 0. So we write -1, -2, -3. Then after writing -3, we write dash, 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 and somewhere we write -55. Okay? We write dash, 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 and somewhere we write -55. So now you can see the number -55. Yes, no problem. This is +5, this is +5, and this is -55. Now which number is on the left side? -55. -55 lies to the left of 5. -55 lies to the left of 5. That is the answer. -55 lies to the left of -1. Okay. So you remember, whenever the number is positive, we Yes, yes, no problem, no problem. My dear, you can write dash dash dash. After 4 number, you can write dash dash dash, and you can write minus 2. Very good. Chalo, you solve all the problems. You asked the query which was there for others also, so you help others in resolving their problem. Very good attitude to help others. Now next is mark each of the following on the number line. Fifth one. Mark each of the following. Mark each of the following on the number line. Mark each of the following on the number line. Mark each of the following on the number line. Mark each of the following on the number line. Okay. The numbers are 6. Let me write all the numbers. Chalo. A 6, B minus 2, A6, B minus 2, C minus 7, D 5, D is 5, then E is minus 3, F is 0, then G is 8, and H is 4. So one I can show, other. Let me solve A, then B, C, D, E will be homework. Rest will be homework. Okay, homework. Yes, ma'am. You see the adjustment of your phone, because there only. Yes. So rest. No. Nothing should be written. You have to only mark the number. Nothing. No explanation is required, my dear. You have to. Yes. So build the. No question. I will not write same question. You see the adjustment of your phone. Okay. Or you can see in the video afterwards. Because it is. So you have to mute the microphone. Unless and until it is required, do not ask the question. Solution A. H. A is 6. So you have to mark the number 6 on the number line. So this is my left side, this is my right side. In the center we have 0. And remember, 6 has no sign. No sign means it is plus sign. So it is plus 6. And positive numbers are to the right of 0. To the right of 0. We have positive numbers. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And where is number 6? Number 6 is, this is my number 6. Yes. Yes, it's okay. This side also you can write -1. We are marking the number 6 on the number line, that's all. Yes, you circle. Just make one dot, bigger dot over 6. That is your number 6. You have to mark these number on the number line, that's all. Yes, same thing. No sentence. Only you have to mark. Mark the following number on the number line is same as represent the following number on the number line. One and the same question. No, my dear, screen is very much clear. Only no. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all are homework. Except A. All are homework except A. Now 6th question. My dear, -2 you can easily plot on this side. This is my -2, that's all. Mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. I am writing only question. Now fill in the blanks. I will write the question and stop. Fill in each of the place. 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 Holders with holders with greater than, greater or less than sign, greater or less than sign. There, after 0 it is 8, G is 8, H is 4, G is 8, H is 4. Write on this. Notebook, nothing should be written in the textbook, my dear. Whatever I am writing on the board, everything should be written in the notebook. Okay? There. G it is plus 8 and plus 4. Plus 8 and plus 4. Yes. Mute the microphone. So this is my question number 6. 5th is over, no? Remaining part I had given homework, no? So now we start question number 6. First you... chalo, join with other. Because nothing is... Everything is clear from my side, my dear. Now A minus 1. No, it is not acceptable always. No, sentence should not be written. Only you have to mark that number. That's all. B, write on this. B, 8 and minus 9. 8 and minus 9. You have to fill the box with the holders. Wait. C, mute the microphone. 16 and minus 10. 16 and minus 10. Then D minus 10. Mute the microphone. Minus 10 and 10. Then E minus 15 and minus 20. Minus 15 and minus 20. Minus 15 and minus 20. Then F minus 25 and minus 5. Minus 25 and minus 5. So yesterday I had explained you, whenever two numbers have same sign plus, the number which is bigger will be bigger integer, and whenever two integer have minus sign, the number which is bigger will be smaller. Minus sign, the number which is bigger will be smaller integer. Minus plus is always bigger than minus. Plus is always bigger than minus. So let us solve this. This is negative, this is 0. So minus 1 will be less than 0. Now this is positive, plus 8, and this is minus 9. Positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers, so 8 will be greater. Now this is plus 16, and this is minus 10. Positive numbers are bigger than negative number. Yes. Now this is minus 10. This is plus 10. Positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. So minus 10 will... 1 minute. Now minus 15 and minus 20. Both are negative. Wait. Both are negative. And I have told you, whenever both numbers are negative, the number which is bigger will be smaller integer. So 20 is bigger, but both are minus. So minus 20 will be smaller integer. Okay? Minus 15, minus both are negative. So in negative integer, if the number is bigger, that will be smaller integer. Minus 25 and minus 5, again both are negative. 25 is bigger number, so minus 25 will be smaller integer. Okay? So minus 25. Yes. Same thing, what I have written, same way you have to write. You have to fill the holders, you have to fill the box with the holders, greater than or less than. Just now how I have done. This is minus. This is 0. Negative numbers are smaller than 0. So minus 1 will be less than 0. This is positive. This is negative. Positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. So 8 will be greater. This is positive number. Positive number. Negative number. Positive numbers are bigger. Positive number means the number which has which part? 1. This one. See the number with 7th one. 7th one. Arey my dear, I have to start now. I have to start. Mute the microphone. You are going at once. Now write down this. Yes. Wait. What doubt you have? You ask. What doubt you have? C. So 16 is bigger, no? So I have written 16. Mouth will be opening towards 16. Wherever mouth is opening means that number is bigger, my dear. Okay. Now next is before we start 7, you write down absolute value of number. Absolute value. Write down this. Absolute value or modulus. Before we start 7, this is modulus. Absolute value or modulus of a number. Before 7th, I have to explain this part, my dear. Absolute value or modulus of a number. Absolute value or modulus of a number. So write down. If A is an integer, if A is any integer, then it is clear, my dear. Then absolute value be denoted by vertical bracket. Absolute value be denoted by 2 vertical. This is my vertically bracket. It is clear, my dear. Vertically bracket. Absolute value means vertically bracket. Is denoted by absolute value of any 1. It is not 1. It is bracket, vertical bracket. That vertical bracket is called my absolute value bracket. Yes, and is given by. That is absolute value of A is A. And if A is negative also, then absolute value of minus A is A also. So absolute value of any positive number or any negative number is always positive. So, yes, due to microphone. Absolute value of any number, write down this. Absolute value of any number of any positive number. Absolute value of any positive number. Mute the microphone, my dear. Absolute value of any positive number. Plus means positive number. Absolute value of vertical bracket means absolute value bracket. Absolute value of any positive number or any negative number. Any negative number is always positive. So whether number is negative or positive, its absolute value will be always positive. Let us see the example. Absolute value of 5 will be 5 and absolute value of minus 5 will be again positive 5 only. So whether your number is positive or whether your number is negative, in both the case the value remains same, 5. So whether number is positive or whether number is negative, whenever you see this bracket means absolute value bracket. Absolute value of any number is positive, is always positive. Absolute value of any number is always positive. Yes. Second one, it is absolute value of minus 5, and this is having minus sign, my dear. This is having minus sign, but when you remove the absolute value bracket, the value will be plus 5. Minus 5 become plus 5. 5 become 5 only. 5 remain 5, but minus 5 is also 5. So whether your number is positive number or negative number, absolute value of any number will be always positive. Will be always positive. This you have to remember. So based on this, we have to solve 7 questions. 7 questions. Write the. Plus means positive number. Write the value. Yes. If A is any integer, then absolute value vertically bracket is denoted by absolute value of A. We write A between two vertical bracket. That is called absolute value of A, and is given by absolute value of A is A. Absolute value of minus A is also A. So in both the case it is plus A, plus A. So absolute value of any plus means positive number, or any minus means negative number is always positive. Now let us see the first question. Minus 29. A. Absolute value of minus 29. Now you tell me, now the number is negative, no? Now the number is negative, minus 29. It will be positive number. Whether number is negative or positive, its absolute value will be always positive. So absolute value of minus 29 is plus 29. Okay. Then absolute value of absolute value of minus 5. No, wait. It is minus sign outside bracket, my dear. It is minus sign outside bracket. Okay. So that also you have to take, no. B minus of absolute value of minus 5. Yes. So what that will be? Tell me. This minus sign. No, this minus sign will carry it as it is. Minus, because minus is outside absolute. Minus is outside absolute. So that I will write minus. But what is absolute value of minus 5? What will be this value? 5. So answer is minus 5. Because of this minus sign outside. No, my dear. Minus sign I will carry as it is. Now see, absolute value of 73. Yes. Same. Any number, any digit number, the answer will be same. It will be positive only. Any digit number, the answer. Yes. So absolute value of 73 will be 73. Then D, absolute value of 0. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Then E, absolute value of 9 plus mod of minus 5. Okay, let me solve this. 9 plus absolute value of minus 5. Now all of you stop writing and pay attention. All of you stop writing and pay attention here. So how we solve this? This we write 9, because there is no absolute value bracket. So 9 will remain 9. Then I will solve this. What is absolute value of minus 5? 5. So 9 plus 5. 9 plus absolute value of minus 5. Absolute value of minus 5 is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. The answer is 14. Yes. So absolute value of minus 5 is 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Answer is 14. Okay. Absolute value of minus 5 is plus 5. Then absolute value of, my dear, I have written no CD. See the answer I have written, no? Answer I have written. Where it is, I have given homework. The next is absolute. No, let me solve this. 9 yes. What is 9? So first I will write absolute value. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So that becomes absolute value of phi. What is absolute value of phi? Absolute value of phi is phi. This is the answer. Okay. Then G. Mute the microphone. 10 minus absolute value of minus 6. 10 minus absolute value of minus 6. Okay. So first I will simplify this. So this I will write 10 minus sign. See, whichever sign is before absolute value, that I will write as it is, minus. But what is absolute value of minus 6? Yes, 6. Absolute value of minus 6 is 6. 10 minus 6, answer is 4. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Okay. Now H, absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of minus 7. How technical my dear? How technical? Absolute value of well. Absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of minus 7. See, this vertical bracket means absolute value bracket. Don't consider your normal bracket. Absolute value means vertical bracket. So let us solve this. Absolute value of minus 5 is 5 plus absolute value of minus 7 is 7. 5 plus 7, answer is 12. Answer is 12. Okay. So 2 minutes are there, 2-3 minutes are there. Write down surprise test. Write down surprise test. Because this complete our this 2.1. So write down this. You have to solve this. Yes, notebook only. Absolute value of minus 12. Wait, no, my dear. No, there only. Absolute value of minus 8. Chalo, start solving. Then 2 minus 5 minus absolute value of minus 5. Just now. Then 7 minus absolute value of minus 3. Start solving. Then these are absolute value. Vertical bracket means absolute value bracket, my dear. Just remember. Then see. Okay. Then third one. Absolute value of minus 12 plus absolute value of minus 13. And fourth, absolute value of minus 4 plus absolute value of minus 4. Then 5 I will give. Absolute value of minus 2 plus absolute value of minus 3 plus absolute value of minus 4. Let me see. Do it fast. Then one more. One more question I am giving. One more question, my dear. Absolute value of. Who is doing that? No, my voice is not equal. My voice is not equal, my dear. Minus 12. Absolute value of minus 12 divided by absolute value of minus 4. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer of 6th. Tell me the answer of 6th. Tell me the answer of 6th and 5th. Forget about 1, 2, 3. Tell me the answer of 5th and 6th. 3, absolutely correct. What is your name? Yes, correct. Absolute value. Yes, solve that. Write down that solution in the notebook. Very good. So our students are brilliant. Wait, still time is there, 1 minute. How you can leave? Our students are brilliant. So write down the solution of all these 6 in the notebook. 1-2 minutes are there. Right? No direct answer. You have to show the calculation. No direct answer. You can tell me the answer, but whenever it comes to write, you have to write down the solution detail. can tell me the direct answer, but whenever it comes to write the answer, you have to write down the detailed solution. Okay, so this answer is 3. That means my students are brilliant. They are able to face. Now, what is the answer of fifth answer? Tell me, fellow. Fifth answer. Huh? 9. Answer is 9. Fifth answer is 9. Fifth answer is 9, my dear. Yes, fifth answer is 9 and sixth answer is 3. You can tell your answers. So now it is now it is 10:30. We stop here because we are having other periods also. Yes. Fourth answer is 0. Bye. See you in the fourth period. Fourth period is also there. Yes. Bye. Bye everybody.